Now it's waking up. Okay, we had a yellowfin swimming around the boat. All three of us tried to get him and Anton was the lucky one. How does it feel, mate?
Awesome, mate.
Nice bent rod. It's what dreams are made of.
Is that cute?
Yep. Oh, look at the sickles on it. Sick.
Ready, can you give me a hand for one second? Now.
Just get the fixed gaff, Mons. Get the big one too. I got him right down deep in the water.
Yeah.
Just keep going, just keep pumping. He's about 20 down. Oh, that is awesome. I love that. It's what I live for. Big yellowfin. That is sick. Yep, just keep whining. Keep pumping him up, mate. Watch the angle of the line. That's it. You're doing a good job. Keep going. He's just swimming for the moment. He might light up. Mons, just get the fix. This is sick. This is sick.
We're gonna have double soon. Doubles up.
Yeah,
doubles
that's all right. Keep going. No, you're not there. You're not to the double yet. Keep going. Keep going. When you get him right to the double, yep, lift him up. Lift his head up. That's it. That's it. That's it. Oh yeah, that's 50. That's easy 50. Lift him up. Oh my God, Father. Okay.
No.
Mons, I think we're gonna need another gaff. Mons, fucking pin it.
Keep going forward. Hang on, Colin. Silly Colin, fight. This thing's got
Pin it! Pin it! You're gonna bend that.
Well, get rid of the camera for 1 second.
Other way, mate.
Got him.
Okay. And there it is. There it is.
That's a shit. Nice one, buddy.
That is awesome. That's it.
Lift a bit more. Bit more.
Bit more. Go more.
Bit more. Get right on his
That's it.
That's it. Thank you, my camera, please. Woo, woo, woo.